Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect for anybody that likes to work out or particularly likes to do jump rope. This was sent over by a company called RENPHO, and it is their smart jump rope. So what do you all get when you open it up? First off, you're going to get a little bag here. It makes it easy to store everything. You're going to get, obviously, a user manual that's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over the features right here in the video. Now, this jump rope has two different ways. It is a cordless jump rope. So if you are like me and you just want to maybe do the exercise, but you know you don't have the coordination, you're going to get tangled up in the rope, you can put on the cordless version. So basically what these are is they have some nice weighted balls here, very easy to use. The ropes themselves have a nice soft rubber textured grip, so they're non-slip, it's easy to hold. And then on the ends you have a 360-degree rotation, so it's very fluid, very easy to move. And then you're getting the jumps and you're getting to do the counts. Now, in addition to that, if you want to be more the traditional side and actually do jump the rope, they do include a nice stainless steel rope that is wrapped in a plastic. Give you an idea of this rope, it is 9.8 feet long. You can cut it, obviously, if you wish to make it smaller, if you have little kids or anything like that, but you can also just kind of ram it through because they do have these little clips, so that you can tighten it up and make it shorter if you wish. So if you do want to make it shorter, you can do that. And they also include these little rubber end pieces that you can put on the end if you do choose to cut it. To give you an idea of the thickness of the cord here, it is 20 millimeters. So if you do want to replace the cord, you're just looking for a 20 millimeter cord and you can replace it. But let's go back to the cords here. Like I said, they are a smart setup. So there is a little mode button in a screen. Simply hold that down and then the device is going to turn on, and it's going to have 3 different mode options. So first mode option is just going to be free jump. So when it's in free jump, it's just going to count every time this goes around a full rotation. It's just going to give you a number. You just use it how you want, and then it'll tell you how many you've done. Your second mode is a countdown mode. So you can set an amount of jumps you want to do. You want to do 200 jumps, and then you're just going to count down. And you just simply press the button, and it's going to cycle through those mode options. Now, the third option is a timer mode. So if you want to jump basically for 15 minutes, you can set it for that, and it's no longer, you can still track how many jumps you're doing, but it's more about the time on the options there. Now, another cool thing about this is this connects to their Bluetooth health app, which then you can unlock. It's a lot easier to do the different mode options through the app. At least I find it easier. And of course the app it tracks all your workouts, the calories, all that fun stuff. It's very, very user friendly. But if you don't want to use the app, you don't have to because you can do it right here on the screen. I do just find the app a lot easier to go through and kind of utilize itself. But overall, it's a great little jump rope setup. Very easy to use. Love the fact that it's cordless. But if you do like the little rope, it comes with that. So it's very nice that it can be used both ways. And the handles are very comfortable to hold. So it's perfect for a workout solution. If you are in the market for a great jump rope system, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.